Hi guys, warm welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud training. Today is first demo of the training which we are going to conduct in coming days. So guys, my name is Harshit Suri and I am your host today. I will be walking you through what all things we are gonna cover into our training, why we have to use Marketing Cloud, why it is essential platform. So guys, a brief about me. I am 4x certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer and I have 5+ years of experience now working on marketing automation as a market consultant, primarily on Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. So guys, let's start to explore why there is a need of Marketing Cloud and what all things we have into Marketing Cloud, which makes our day-to-day life easy, as well as we will see what all scope we have into our syllabus and what all things we are going to cover in our 1 month of training. So guys, feel free to stop me and check with me if you have any doubts. We'll try to clear the same time. So guys, you must be aware of Salesforce Marketing Cloud as a name, as a product developed by Salesforce. With this product, you have marketing keyword attached to it. Everybody knows or have a brief idea of what is marketing in general. So it's an act of promoting your products or services to a large audience. More and more audience you reach, more and more um, more and more content you develop and more audience you reach, those audience will get educated about your products and services, and it is very important for you to reach more and more people and advertise your products or services to generate more and more revenue. So guys, marketing is a key to business. Every company has to implement marketing in its growth strategies. Company uses marketing techniques to increase sales of their products and services. So guys, think of marketing which was done earlier, like when we were not not of this age. Let's go back to 20 years when there was no mobile, no internet, no world wide web. At that time also this concept was popular. This was the key key, I should say, every business had a key strategy for marketing. So think of a process how the marketing was done at that time. So guys, if you can remember your good old days 20 years back, you can see that at that time also people were doing marketing but in a different way. Like they were distributing pamphlets which contained a brief about their products and services. If they had a nice budget, then they can go and display a big banner on streets, on signals, or anywhere, any crowded public place, so that it can get more and more attraction from the people, attention from the people. If they had even more money, what they could have done, they could have publicized their advertisement into the newspapers. And if they even had more money than newspapers, then they could go for radio or television. But there was no scope going beyond all these medium. And the drawback of that type of marketing was, though people were able to like get business from doing marketing using these all tactics, the way old tactics, but that was not able to capture the customer's intent towards your product, the customer's feedback mood towards your product. So one area of marketing is to publicize the product you want to sell to people, and the other area of marketing also says that get regular inputs from the customer and build your product as per the customer's need and desire. Then only you will be able to get more and more attention from greater audience, from global audience. So guys, that type of marketing, though it was successful at that time, but it had involved plenty of money, printing pamphlets, distributing pamphlets, printing banners, displaying advertisement on television. Now also television is a hot place to market, but it's not everybody's cup of tea now. Like global brands can afford publicizing on television, but it's not everybody's cup of tea. So at that time also it was expensive. And guys, though it was expensive, the ways we did marketing earlier were expensive. It also involved, it was not involved any, it was not involving any customer feedback or customer input. It was not having any mechanism. It hasn't provided any way where customer can themselves provide us the review feedback like we are able to get today. If somebody purchased something from Amazon, you have a list of reviews of people who have already purchased that item, and based on those reviews you take your own decision now. But this type of functionality was not available at that time due to the lack of two-way conversation between the business and the people. Only business were distributing the pamphlet, displaying banner. There was no feedback capture, input capture mechanism from the customers, so that there was no opportunity to improve the product, rather than go with the assumption. So that was possible at that time. But guys, with the evolution of technology, with the evolution of World Wide Web, you can see now that every people has a smart device. If somebody doesn't have that smart device, within next 2-3 years, definitely more and more people will be coming and joining this chain of smartphone users. Everybody uses internet. People can't live without internet now. It has become a day-to-day activity for them, a very major part of their life. Even you also can't stay without internet. Everywhere connecting the laptop, desktop, meeting online, everything everywhere is internet, guys. It's an era of internet. So the shops which were physically present, which were distributing pamphlets and using the old way of marketing, now after 20 years they are present online. If they had, if they are really rich, if they can afford, they can develop their own mobile application, they can develop their own website. If they can't afford their custom development, then they can get and list it into Amazon. Or even if they can't afford to have anything but still they want to go online and market, then they have the option to go and list themselves as Facebook and Instagram marketplace and various other marketplace on social medias available now. So every brand which was present locally is now digital, guys. And as it's an era of technology, there are more and more users joining this chain every day. So guys, this has led to traffic generation on their website, on their application, which they have developed as a part of as a part of moving their business online. So guys, as the businesses are online, as there are plenty of tactics to drive traffic on the touch point of a business. Suppose a business is present in a form of mobile application, a business is present in a form of a web application or a website or an e-commerce site nowadays. So there are plenty of ways which are getting practiced nowadays to drive traffic to the website, to the mobile application. These ways which are getting practiced nowadays is called as digital marketing. So with the help of digital marketing, we are able to do some like SEO type of thing, some like optimization. Um, uh, there are some tactics available which every digital marketer follows, which helps promoting their brand and driving traffic, more and more traffic on the website, on the web application. So guys, as the traditional marketing was changed to digital marketing, and now guys, with the help of digital marketing, we are able to drive more and more traffic on our website. Now as people are going to their website, suppose i got I got a link and I clicked on a link and I went to Amazon. And as I went to Amazon, due to the fact that I saw an advertisement or anything which was possible due to digital marketing, now I finally landed on Amazon. What I will do, I will go and I will try to search some keywords. I will try to search some relevant information or product which I want. So in this case, guys, I am generating data on Amazon's website, on Amazon's application, Digital marketing helped me to reach Amazon, but when I reached to Amazon, I found a whole new world there, and I started to search products. I started to search different categories of product. I started to explore the product. I started to put my product into the cart. I started to see the reviews, like dislikes, everything I started to do on Amazon. So guys, this activity of mine is generating lot of data for Amazon to mine and to analyze. Similarly, millions of customers are able to get redirected on Amazon's website, on Flipkart's website, or any e-commerce website, or any type of website who is doing business online. Millions of customers every day are reaching there and searching, exploring the product ranges, features, services they have. So guys, this practice of people are generating a lot of, has resulted in generation of a lot of data. If we are able to capture those data and customize that into a strategy, and if we use that strategy for our marketing, then that would be the very efficient and modern way of marketing which companies are adopting nowadays. And this type of marketing is called as data driven marketing. So guys, what is data driven marketing? Data driven marketing is the type of marketing where you gather the customer's response on your brand, customers activity on your brand. Like I went on Amazon, I searched for few products, I searched using keywords, then later I went to Amazon, I put something into the cart, I clicked on any t-shirt which I liked, I selected my size, my color. So this activity of mine is generating data. So now guys, suppose I searched for a product into Amazon, I really liked that product. I saw a black color jeans, really loved that jeans, and I totally wanted to buy that. It fits into my price range as well as it fits into my size range as well. So I most likely happen to buy that product. What I will do, I will put that product into the cart. So now guys, as I have put that product into the cart, now suppose in meantime I was searching for other products which I can buy together with that jeans. But meantime, my mom called, my father called, mother called, or I got an urgent call from somebody. Okay, sorry guys. So meanwhile, I got a call from somebody and I got distracted from the process I was following. I didn't purchase that product which I kept into the cart. So guys, I was able to read, I was able to get redirected to Amazon website. There I have searched a lot of product, analyzed different products, searched different reviews, and finalized one product and I put into the cart. But I got a call, got distracted from the process for next 20-30 minutes. I didn't purchase that product. So guys, here comes the concept of data driven marketing. We are able to drive the traffic from digital marketing, but what happens when the customer is on your platform? Do you leave it as it is? It is not on customer. Like customer can stay or cannot stay, it depends on the user experience you provide to them. So guys, at this point, if customer has kept something into the cart and left for 20-30 minutes and there is no activity, what would Amazon do? In that case, think of a real-time scenario. You must have seen that scenario in your daily life while shopping with e-commerce. What Amazon will do in this case, it will wait for 20-30 minutes and it still doesn't find any activity from your end. Amazon will pull that information, will club the same product, the same bill amount, the same detail, the same color, everything inside an email, and will send to you, trigger you as an abandoned cart email. You abandoned the cart, you put something and got abandoned. Like you went to attend something, you abandoned that cart, but Amazon has not forgotten that you have something into your cart. So after 20-30 minutes, Amazon will try to remind you that you have product into the cart. So this behavior of Amazon is a customized marketing strategy for people who put in who put the product into the cart and leave. So in this case, Amazon, instead of forgetting that customer, tries to be smart and tries to pull that product inside an email and will send abandoned cart email. Okay, this product you left into the cart, this was the customized link, please have a please try to buy it from here. Also, it may provide you some coupon offers, or not Amazon, other e-commerce company may provide you some coupon offer at the same time, so that it can make an impact on your decision making power. So guys, when customers are online, it's tendency that they will leave your website, leave your application very soon. It's you who have to gather the data from them, or gather the data which they are generating on your website, on your application, and then after you gather the data, you have to customize and analyze and check where you can fit your own marketing strategy with the data inside you got. So this is called as data driven marketing, guys. There are plenty of examples you come across, like Amazon. Like if I search for black jeans, I didn't put anything into the cart, Amazon will send me product recommendation emails. It will so if I was liking Levi's jeans, Amazon will send same size, same color jeans but for different price and different brand, like Wrangler, like Flying Machine, different brands. It will try to push to try to promote me using product recommendation email. So all this happened is possible due to data driven marketing. And guys, as millions of customers will be generating data together, there will be possibility millions of customers at the same time are doing abundant cart. So there has to be an automated process which pulls all this data in case of inactivity and trigger an email, a customized email to everybody, and says that this product you have abandoned, this is the customized link. When this happens automatically, then that happens due to the concept of marketing automation. Marketing automation, automating the process of nurturing leads to sales readiness. So guys, why Amazon will send you abundant cart? Because it wants to nurture you as a lead is a potential customer. You showed intent and went to Amazon website, search for the product. That means Amazon treats you as a lead, as a potential customer for that product. So it will try to nurture you as a lead by sending promotional coupons, offers, communication, so that it can make an impact on your decision making capability. So that with this effort, you may rethink of buying that product from Amazon. So Amazon marketing automation is a concept or is a process which brings together information from touch points, including website visits, download, social media activity, and direct marketing. So guys, for a business, there will be different touch points from where you can get the data about your customer and customize that into a marketing strategy. The touch points can include website visit, download, social media activity, everywhere, anything you can do online, that is a touch point for marketing automation platform, from where it can bring the data and automate the marketing activity for a particular company. So guys, marketing automation platform works hand in hand with CRM. Think of a process. Amazon has tried to send some emails, promotional emails, to let you buy a television. It wants to sell you a television. It sent a lot of data to you via email, lot of promotional content for a television via email. So that process will be called as nurturing of leads. But guys, in case you buy that product from Amazon, then the nurturing of lead will not take place. The major task of lead nurturing is complete. The data will go to CRM, where sales and service will be managed. Sales means providing invoice of the purchase and every other detail, guarantee, warranty detail, and service means installation of television and every other thing. So guys, CRM has three major dots: sales, service, and marketing. So guys, for sales and service, Salesforce has a sales and service cloud. For marketing, Salesforce has marketing automation. So marketing cloud, sorry. So marketing cloud will be used mainly for lead nurturing of the data to which are present into Salesforce sales and service cloud. So marketing automation manages the process of nurturing leads at far earlier stage in the purchasing process. Marketing automation gets handle on prospect interests and handle lead generation and lead nurturing by means of campaigns across a wide range of online channels. So guys, marketing automation and CRM will work hand in hand. Like we have Salesforce Sales Service Cloud, we have Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is for marketing automation. Sales Service are the part of CRM. So in hand, Sales Service and Marketing Cloud will work to provide a complete CRM solution for our customers. So guys, what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform. You will be able to do data-driven marketing automation on this platform. Will be able to get data from different touch points and can automate the recurring process, the sending process, the communication process with the customers. It is very important to keep in touch, to maintain a regular relationship with your customers, guys. That is why there is a concept of marketing automation. When the customer wants, you are able to send them the communication in an automated fashion, because if you don't treat the customer the way they want, every customer wants to get a communication whenever they want. They want to get a coupon code whenever they want. They want to get a communication or any type of message from the brand whenever they want. So guys, you have to deliver to them at the same time they want. In case you fail, then you won't be able to maintain yourself into the competition. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud will help you to fulfill all the needs of your customer. As a consumer or a customer requires plenty of personalization content, plenty of personalized experience, which Marketing Cloud will be able to provide to the consumers or to the brand who is implementing this Marketing Cloud for their company. So guys, we can do a lot of things with Marketing Cloud. You can create two-way real-time engagement. We have plenty of channels: email, SMS, social. Two-way real-time engagement means, suppose a brand sent you a message, opt in, reply to a message by saying opt in, and text back to 57575. And whenever you text the message back by opt in keyword. Or suppose you have a bank where you can check the balance by replying BAL to 57575, and in return you get the updated balance on your bank as an SMS. So this is a two-way type of communication which can be facilitated from Marketing Cloud. So guys, let me make you clear something. Marketing Cloud is not only for marketing. It is some part of Marketing Cloud, but the greater part is to facilitate transactions. Every e-commerce company will send you an invoice after you make a purchase. That invoice will be dynamic. It contains your name, the product you purchased, the image of the product, the bill of the product, warranty detail, and every other detail it will contain. At the same time, millions of customers are making purchase. Millions of customers at the same time receive invoice with their relevant product information on their card. Many e-commerce companies, or there will be a lot of opportunities where Marketing Cloud will work to facilitate the transactions. Like you withdraw some money from bank account, you get updated email and SMS from where they are coming. They're coming from Marketing Cloud for many of the clients. There are plenty of scenarios where you will be using Marketing Cloud to facilitate transactions, and you can use Marketing Cloud for other activities like data-driven marketing, or I should say promotional marketing. So Marketing Cloud is not only a promotional marketing platform, but it will also be used to handle transactions. That makes this ability of Marketing Cloud makes an outstanding product into the market. So guys, how to access Marketing Cloud? mc.exacttarget.com is the URL. You will be accessing to Marketing Cloud. Let's go inside Marketing Cloud and see what all things we have. This platform, guys, you will get from day one when you start the training with us. This is not freely available in the market. We will be providing you this platform throughout the training duration. Okay. So guys, if you open Marketing Cloud, this type of user interface you will get. Marketing Cloud is divided into studios and builders. Studios are the channels which will help you reach your customers. Like you have email studio to reach your customers via email. So guys, you don't have to you will not be creating simple emails but highly dynamic emails. For example, you will see this email coming from Coinsuch Kuber. You will see this is highly dynamic email. Every day it is giving me the performance of different bitcoins which I have subscribed to receive information on. So guys, this value changes every day. That means that is not a static email like we write and send. This is highly dynamic email. There is a technology used behind this developing behind this email, developing the dynamic content for this. So every day with the help of data supplied to it, the email will be updated. This is also a part of data driven marketing where companies send daily updates to the customer. They do not go and manually fill all this information, but there is a technology behind this which is directly pulling the data and maintaining into a format. You can see here every day I get this email with everyday updates. You can see like this, or you have the other email like Amazon. You can see all these products I have purchased. These are the dynamic email. This email will also be sent to all the customers who have made purchase in past few days. So guys, every customer will receive the product image and rating email. Product image and rating rating type of email for every product they purchase from the Amazon. There are plenty of other type of emails like this email, a totally promotional email. So this is not a dynamic email, but there is a great example of dynamic email is this, where you will see that every day updates are being sent. So there is a specific technology and a programming language or a scripting language to be more precise is used, with the help of which we are able to achieve this type of dynamic email personalization. So guys, this we are possible with the help of Email Studio. Not only static, but you will be able to create dynamic emails as well. So guys, on the other hand, we have Mobile Studio. In Mobile Studio, we have plenty of other channels, plenty of different channels available to reach our customers on Mobile Studio. For example, if we want to reach our customers via SMS, MMS, you can have Mobile Connect installed for your Marketing Cloud, and you can implement this Mobile Connect to send SMS, MMS. So not only guys one-way SMS, but you can develop a functionality to have a two-way interaction, like your customers can request BAL and send it to 57575 or any code your company owns, and you can define a logic what happens when this kind of communication is received back from your customer. Then you have to take the next best action, that means send them the updated balance. So that type of interaction where we have one-way and two-way interaction using SMS can be possible with Mobile Connect. We have Mobile Push, guys, a very interactive marketing strategy getting followed by every company now. Every company who runs business online is adopting app-based strategy. You must be using in India Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, Ola. Every day, at least 2 times they send push notifications. And to keep, so why they send push notifications? To get involved with you, to remind you about the services time to time. They are very creative. They have custom sounds, they have custom images, URLs, custom messages inside that push notification, highly interactive push notifications which you receive daily from them. So this is possible with the help of with the help of mobile push. You also have seen, like, whenever you order Uber, Ola, or Swiggy, Zomato, whenever the driver or the rider is near your location, you get a push notification that your driver has arrived. So it also has a geographical feature with the help of which we can read the geography of our app user and trigger the notification on demand. We have Group Connect, guys, where we can connect Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Line Messenger, and can send messages on the messaging apps of our customer. Similarly, guys, we have other studios. We have web studios where we can create browser rendered contents. the contents which can render on browser, like a small website, landing page, microsite. These type of content can be created from cloud pages. So we will study all these things, guys. We have builders which are the platform tools like journey builder, automation studio, content builder, audience builder, content builder. All these are the platform tools which will help us to model our data, which will help us to model our data, relationships, and everything which are required to facilitate marketing automation. So guys, we have to automate the process. Somebody requested balance, immediately we have to send the communication. Somebody requested, somebody purchased something, immediately we have to send the communication. So guys, channels, you will be using the channels defined here, but the automated process and everything, data modeling, relationships, everything you will be able to do via platform tools which are called as builders. We will see every builder in detail, step by step. Also, Marketing Cloud has some Einstein capabilities, AI capabilities. We can see a brief about them, as well as some other features we will see step by step when we will proceed further with our training. So guys, I will open for questions now. Like, we will be going to study each and every topic in details. We will try to cover 3 certifications, entire syllabus of 3 certifications: email specialist, marketing cloud admin, and consultant. As well as we will study 50-60% syllabus of marketing cloud developer certification as well. But development requires more effort from your side. But guys, definitely I will try my best to give you the best knowledge which can help you to excel into marketing cloud career. So guys, please let me know if you have any question, doubts, clarification from me. I'll open to you now. Any questions, guys?
Yeah, Arshit, this is Mahesh. Can I hear?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have these studios, right? Email studio, mobile studio, and social studio, and web studio.
Yeah.
So how much percent we can cover this email studio, mobile studio? I think I know email studio.
Mobile studio 100%.
Okay.
Web studio 100%.
Okay. And what about social studio?
Social studio is not a product of Marketing Cloud. We have a separate login here. It has to be purchased separately. It is
Okay.
not Marketing Cloud, a different product which is visible here.
Okay.
So
if we want to work on this one, so we need to separate license for this one.
Right, separate license. But if you are concerned about certification exam, then nothing will be captured. But like,
Okay.
Social Studio will not be asked because this is a third-party product which gets integrated like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Same as advertising, interaction. We will study all the builders, guys. Analytics, journey, content, under journey, automation. Builders, we will cover everything. Studios, we will cover 3: email, mobile, and web.
Okay. Web also can cover 100%, right?
Right. 100% of Web Studio. Also, we will cover AMP script and parts of SQL. AMP script, we will cover everything. I will let you know, or I will teach dedicated. I will take dedicated sessions on AMP script from scratch. I consider you don't know anything, and I will teach that much of AMP script from where you can take your coding journey as well.
Yeah, because I have seen a couple of demos from other trainers. So when they come to AMP script, so simply they can open the Google links and you can go through these links.
No guys, I have developed the entire course of AMP script. We will be seeing at least 10 functions on AMP script. So guys, this is the best training on Marketing Cloud you could ever have. You could have understood the way I presented and gave the demo today. So
so that's why. Apart from this AMP script, what about SSJS? So SSJS also covered.
SSJS will not cover, but if you want, then we can have a separate training for that. But SSJS is purely programmatical way. We will not cover that. For that, I expect that you should know the JavaScript, because if I go and teach JavaScript first, then that would not be a Marketing Cloud language, right? AMP script, definitely I will teach, I will teach every aspects of AMScript, which will help you to understand the technology behind dynamic emails like this, the technology behind dynamic web pages. But SSJS requires the knowledge of prior JavaScript. That is
Okay.
why I don't teach into this my marketing cloud training. But
Okay.
apart from SSJS, SQL, AMScript, and all other things, like everything we will able to cover. SSJS will only be separate because this is not a pure development training. Later on,
Okay.
you can opt for a 100% development training where I will be teaching you in detail the APIs, AMScript, advanced concept of AMScript, SSJS, JavaScript, SDKs. So all these comes under development part. So that is a separate training. This is not a development. Yeah.
Okay. In this training, we are not going to cover integration part like SOAP,
No, we will
REST.
cover. We will cover integration.
Okay.
We will cover integration. We will cover AMScript, integration with Sales Service Cloud, synchronized data, and everything. We will cover. Just we won't cover is SSJS. Apart from that, whatever thing you will see into Marketing Cloud certification syllabus, I will be covering. AMScript, like I told, I will be covering 100% syllabus of three certifications: admin, email specialist, and consultant.
Okay.
Development, I will cover 50-60% of syllabus. The remaining would be SSJS. SQL also I will give you brief, but I expect that you already know the SQL, then only you will be able to catch up. But I don't expect anything on AMScript, guys. I teach it from scratch.
Okay. And what about the server access, Harshit?
Platform access, you will be getting it complimentary for 2 months with this training, and later on you can get it like request for an extension for a month if you want to give any interview practice. So around 3 months of server access you would be getting, 2 months upfront, 1 month on demand.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So who I think who can decide this price, and you are I need to
No,
check with the
no,
team.
you have to check with the SP Tech soft itself.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's it from my end, Harshit. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for.
Thanks, thanks Mahesh, looking
Hers-
forward to work with you. Yeah. Hi Jay.
Yeah. Hi
Harshit,
Arshit, this is Jay here.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Yes.
Actually, I used to work on Sales Service Cloud,
Right.
so I'm interested to move on Marketing Cloud.
I
Uh, so the thing is here, so in the future, I'm going to move on as a solution engineer to know about sales, service, marketing functionality end to end. So
yeah,
here for the marketing cloud, topics are which are just you
right.
mentioned about so the integrations and AMP
Yeah,
and the other studios and the email customization, all of the stuffs.
yeah.
So my question is for the entire marketing cloud, how much percentage of coding is involved, like comparatively sales and service.
Comparatively to sales and service, guys, it depends on the type of work you want to do. Like if you are a fresher or 0 to 5 years of experience you are expected to work on codes as well. Like the email you will be developing using AMScript, the cloud pages, landing pages you will be developing AMScript, automations will utilize SQL. So these all are the things which you are expected to know, to be honest, that I will be covering into marketing cloud training. You don't have to be concerned from where you can get that knowledge. Apart from these guys, apart from these, you definitely have 80% of platform knowledge, which is must for you to understand and know. So it would be dependent on the type of role you will be getting. Some role involves 100% of coding, where people are involved to develop emails, cloud pages, contents, automations, and some role do not involve that much of coding, which involves only platform configurations and building activities. But if you are working on the development aspect of marketing cloud, then coding knowledge will be required to you. That
So the core knowledge would be an AMP script, or either would be Apex or JavaScript
no,
like that.
AMP script would be the only language which you are like expected to know. If you are advanced developer, then you can go with SSJS as well. But AMP script is a must. That will be sufficient for you to survive in SFMC. If you want to move to this platform later on, if you get more experience, you can go with SSJS as well. But in order to
Yeah.
start working on this, AMP script would be sufficient.
Okay, and what are the prerequisite for the AMP
Nothing,
script to
nothing.
learn that?
No
Like,
prerequisite for this.
because this is not a free coding challenge, like you cannot change in through Google or Trailhead, right?
Say that again.
For
Sorry.
the just like if you want to learn for basics and like what is the background about AMP script, so do you have any resources and free services for the Trailhead?
No. I don't refer at all Trillion. I have developed a set of functions. If you are, I will teach you those functions. Those are the most important functions which you will be using on your day-to-day project. If you are able to quickly or clearly grasp the functionalities which I am telling you or teaching you on AMP script, it will be a right hand thing for you. So just focus
Okay,
on what
and
I provide, how the way I teach, the functions I will tell. Those will help you to build the base on AMP script. Later on, you have help documents available. You can refer them and build your own solution.
okay, and the other question, like, how long it will take to complete the entire this marketing cloud training?
4 to 5 weeks if no leaves in between. Like
Okay, 4 to 5 weeks. Okay.
yeah, minimum 4 weeks would be there, guys. Minimum 4 weeks. 5 week, I'm talking like somebody people miss the class. Like if you are if you have any meeting and you can't join, then we can skip the class for one day. And it rarely happens. So consider 1 more week. So 5 weeks of training at max would be there. A detailed training, guys. Nowhere you are able, you will be getting this much of detailed training. People will only make you teach email specialist examination course that I can cover in 2 weeks, but the course I have designed will be giving you 80 to 90% of knowledge. And with the help of that, you can survive on marketing cloud. You can make your career on marketing cloud for next 10 years at least.
But this marketing cloud, how related to marketing cloud developer?
Marketing cloud developer will have certain questions, like it will ask you questions on integration, data model, data
Okay.
relationships. We will study this AMP script, SQL. We will study this. Also, it will ask you 5 questions on JavaScript and SSJS. So, not no need to worry. For SSJS, only 5 to 6 questions are there. You can like get it from dumps, which I will be
Mhm.
providing you. You can like mug up those questions and you will be able to clear it with some practice. Developer as well.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Harsha.
Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, Harshit, Mahesh again. So it's a last question.
Yeah,
So
go.
like whenever we are attending any interviews, so like they can ask, right? So have you worked? Do you know SSJS? So at least a couple of scenarios so where we can use this SSJS.
Yeah,
So
that scenario I will be telling you. Okay, if you
okay,
want me to contain two dedicated session on SSJS at the last, you can let me know.
okay,
I'll
yeah.
give you an introductory of SSJS as well.
Because in any interview, so a couple of my
Yeah.
friends are telling, so
I
they
can
can ask.
provide few examples which you will be able to explain to them in the interview. Guys, I will also be helping you to build your resume and everything. We will be from day one starting a project that will end at the last day of our training. In between, we will also do two different projects, small projects. So altogether, we will be doing 3 projects. The first project will start from the beginning, but that will only end at the last of our class. In between, we will also follow 2 more projects. So
Oh,
yeah, those you can show in your like in your interview, or you can tell them to the interviewer.
Yeah, one of my friend already attending your training, so she referred me. So
Okay,
yeah,
what is the name?
uh, Vijay Lakshmi, I
Ah,
think.
okay, okay, yeah, okay, okay. She was telling me that, yeah,
Yeah,
she was telling me, yeah.
yeah. So she
Yeah,
referred.
Arshit.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry, I joined quite late, and I
No
just wanted
issues,
to
no
know.
issues. We will share the recording video with you.
Yeah, so I am basically from testing background. I just wanted to know either I would be feasible in this or not. I have done Salesforce training, so I couldn't able to get the dev part, but I have done the admin part. Would that help here in?
Definitely, guys. Definitely, as I told, okay, you are not into it. No, you are not into the demo. But guys, see, Marketing Cloud is one point of CRM. CRM completes with sales service marketing. It is wonderful if you have knowledge on admin, because the same knowledge you will be able to apply while implementing Marketing Cloud. So basically, if it is expected you to learn Salesforce and Marketing Cloud together. Salesforce is available free, right? On Trailhead, the free account is available. It is expected to at least know brief about Salesforce, what is Salesforce, and it is expected to you to know everything about Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud knowledge I will be providing to you. If you have Salesforce, that would be a cherry on top, guys. That would definitely enhance your CV. So I also request you that if you are signing up for Marketing Cloud coaching, Salesforce Trailhead is freely available. Just spend 2 or 3 days learning admin part. That would be enough for you to give a brief understanding of CRM and marketing automation, how both works together. Yeah.
And one more thing, do we have to have any digital marketing
No, no,
strategies
no. This
here?
is not digital marketing, guys. This is purely IT platform. This is not at all digital marketing.
Yeah.
There is no link between digital marketing and Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Digital marketing, non-technical guy use. Here you are expected to be technically sound.
Okay. So how long you will be taking it to complete, and what else
Four to
we need
five,
to do?
4 to 5 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah,
And the classes time would be same, eight in the
it's
evening, right?
8:30 or 9, whenever. It depends on everybody's consent. If you basically I started 8:30, like we can start at 9 as well. Let me know, because people have offices. Some people come back from office at 8:30, so generally we keep 9. If everybody is available at 8:30, we can start at 8:30. And guys, subscribing to this training won't mean that you can't like start again from with us. I take regular 2 batches, one morning and one evening. So if you are able to miss some classes, you can start the training again into the next batch. Keep on learning until you get the job. That would be a continuous process, guys. So no
So,
need to worry
is
about.
there any morning batch you are going to start in the coming future?
I'm not now. It is actually I will start it after a month, because it is still I'm taking
Because
that course.
evening time is not quite fixed, like it sustain. I mean, it get a stretch sometime, and like at that point of time, there would be uh, loss of classes, right?
No, so you will get the recordings. If you are not able to attend any class, then you get the recording. Or if you want me to cover it again in the next class, I'm happy to do that. So let's start with evening batch. You have the option to join morning batch when we will start. You can definitely come there as well. But why to waste the time if you really want to learn? Start with evening batch. When we will start the morning batch, I will let you know. You can then jump there, or you go with both batches, evening and morning batch. You will get a refresher in morning of what you have learned in evening. You will also get videos recorded every day, so that would really help you to cover up if you have missed any class.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so there are a lot of people who come from testing background and want to go to something somewhere like in development and customization, a cloud technology. So I have experience training a lot of people. Many of people have got job. Like you have to put your efforts, guys. It does not guarantee that after you learn the coaching, you do everything, you are able to crack interview. You will have to learn by heart the concept which I will be telling. I will give you 150 questions, guys. Apart from those 50 questions, you won't get any question inside your interview. It will, at least if you get 10 questions from the interview, 9 will be from those questions which I will be providing you. That is something which I will give you at the end, not the starting. But if you work with me, learn all those questions, do whatever practical I am telling, in next 3 months, definitely you will get a nice job on marketing cloud. There is huge demand.
And one
Uh,
more, yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah,
Arshid, I have a question here.
yeah,
So after completion of this course,
yeah.
after 1 month, then if we go into the market, our resume, and how we can give the title, like as a marketing cloud consultant or as a marketing cloud developer, like how we can give the title to us and go to the market for the job market.
It depends your background. You want to be a developer or consultant. Both the same thing. Developer is expected to know more than a consultant, but that doesn't mean that consultant will not work on code. Definitely, he will work on codes. So it is, you can market yourself as a consultant if you have more than experience, 7 8 experience, career experience. Because after 7 8 years, people want to take a lead role, a client role. That case, you can market yourself as a consultant. If you are just starting your career, 2 3 years of experience, definitely I would recommend you to learn AMP script, everything, and get project yourself as a developer. No matter if you don't know coding, that doesn't mean you will not know in future as well. Right?
Yes.
Depends on the experience.
Like the thing is here, I know JavaScript, like on the medium range. How like if I go to the developer in marketing
For
cloud,
developer, you are
so
expected to learn HTML, CSS. These are open source language, JavaScript open
yes,
source language. Apart from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you are expected to know the knowledge on SQL as well. These four are open source language. So guys, any platform you will work, these four languages will come into your day-to-day life, right? Either you work on Salesforce, Marketing Cloud, Java, any other platform, HTML, CSS is something, SQL is something you should know and will encounter on any other platform. Two more languages are there which you are expected: AMP script, which I will be telling in detail, and JavaScript libraries, which are server side JavaScript. Some libraries are defined only for marketing cloud, but that is purely on JavaScript. That is called a server side JavaScript. That is not 100% expected, but still you will be able to manage the interview. If you tell them that you don't know JavaScript, they won't like reject you. If you are able to tell anything, everything about AMP script, and still if you say you don't know JavaScript, then that's okay. They won't reject you. But as a developer, you are expected to work on all these technologies. 3 or 4 open source, 2 marketing cloud.
One
like
more.
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, so would that training would be sufficient to sustain in the market for at least 3 year or 3 year plus experience?
3 plus experience, yeah, definitely.
Because I have 6 plus experience and I would be keeping somewhere 3 plus experience in this particular domain and technology.
You have 6 plus experience, right?
Yeah.
Last 3 year experience show that you have worked as a marketing cloud consultant. Get yourself a nice job projecting yourself a consultant. Guys, see, everything depends on the interview. Just do my coaching by heart, learn the questions which I will give you, and if you are not able to clear any interview, let me know. Guys, if any question will not come apart from the questions which I am telling you, and if you have good experience of 5 6 years, then it is not expected you to know the code, because you will be working as a senior consultant. There your role would be client facing role. But that doesn't mean you should not know the marketing cloud platform. You are expected to know end-to-end marketing cloud platform. It is not expected you to learn code if you are 6, 7+ years of experience. But people who have less experience, 2, 3 years, definitely I would recommend to learn script code, because they are very initial stage, and there is a huge career. It is good that they know everything from now.
So, like, my question was like, would that will be sufficient that I could handle my job? What maybe given, like, whatever it could be, either it could be scripting, coding, or handling automation. Would that be? I mean, will it be sufficient to handle by myself?
Yeah, it would be sufficient for you to start. Still, you will require help. You can
Yeah. So,
Google
like,
for the
initial
solution.
days, there would be like help needed at least for few days. It could be like few months. Like, would there be any help provided? Like
Yeah, you can
kind of
connect with
thought
me.
clearance or
If you need support, you can anytime contact me. I work with people who are new to marketing cloud, just got trained and got job. They need support, so you can connect with SV TechSoft on me. I will definitely help you out. Don't worry, guys. You will be working on this for entire career, like at least 5, 10 years. So see the good career which is ahead of you. Do not get, like, do not feel down on what you don't know. At least start, like, start with the platform, start with learning. Everything everywhere will open step by step. I have helped people to get placed who even don't know anything on coding. Even if I have taught them 10 times, their mind is not developed to learn A of coding, B of coding, C of coding only. But those people are also working on marketing cloud now, guys. And if those people are work and you have 6 years, 7 years of experience, definitely you will be able to work.
Sir,
I
I have a question.
Yes,
Sorry, I joined very late. I had a doctor's appointment.
good.
Sir, so I'm starting a new project soon. They are using Marketing Cloud, Pardot, and SAP.
Right.
So my question is, should I learn Marketing Cloud first or Pardot first?
See, Marketing Cloud and Pardot will have the same concept. If you are able
Okay,
to learn Marketing Cloud, you are able to learn Pardot.
okay,
Marketing Cloud is a bigger brother of Pardot, I can say.
okay,
Pardot is B2B, Marketing Cloud is B2C. That means it deals with a lot of audience. The concepts are same, guys. Um, if you learn Marketing Cloud, I don't think you will have to learn Pardot. It will be
okay.
by default understood to you with the concepts we are seeing into Marketing Cloud. If you are working with SAP, then there can be a platform called Gigya. Are you working on Gigya?
No, I haven't seen that anywhere.
Okay, okay. Yeah, fine. You can learn Marketing Cloud. That is a bigger conceptual platform. Pardot is something you will be able to quickly learn within 2 days when you know the Marketing Cloud concept.
Okay, and since I wasn't here, I joined late. Could you tell me the timing of the class and the how many weeks the course is?
The course would be around 4 to 5 weeks. The timing would be 8:30 IST.
Okay, so 10 a.m. Okay, okay, 8:30 IST. Okay.
Right, right. So when you are available to join?
I can join at 8:30 IST. I'm located in US, Minnesota. It will be 10 a.m. for me.
Okay, okay, nice. So it's feasible for you, right?
Yes.
Great, great. Great, guys.
Yeah,
Which
Harshat, one more question. Recently, Salesforce acquired like Dataramo and Interaction Studio also. Those are new concepts. So, is there any idea about those?
Dataroma is a reporting platform, guys. I can show you what we can do on Datorama. There is no hard and fast tutorial for Datorama. I can, if you want, and I can show you how it works. Interaction Studio is a different platform, though it gets integrated with Marketing Cloud. It's entirely different platform, so that will not be covered with this training.
Okay. And what about CDP?
CDP is also a different platform, customer data platform. It works with Datorama as well as it works with Interaction Studio. So Interaction Studio, CDP are not covered here. These are different platforms which
Uh,
gets integrated here. Yeah.
okay, like if you want to learn, do you guys plan any other course kind of thing for those, or?
Yeah, we have a CDP Datorama course as well that I will be teaching, but not here into this training. A separate training is there for that.
Oh, okay, okay. Later we can
Yeah.
check that one first. We can learn these.
Okay. Yeah. Any more questions, guys?
So, Harshit, it doesn't have to do anything with Apex and Visual Force Page and
No, no, no,
other
no.
thing which we use in
Apex Visual
Salesforce.
Force is a different language. You don't have
Yes.
to
So in
touch.
Marketing Cloud, we do not do anything with those
No,
stuff, right?
no, no, not at all. You use AppScript. AppScript is the thing you have to learn, and I will try my best to make you learn that. No worries. Apex Visual Force, you don't have to see only.
I
Hey,
think
hi Arshit.
Hi,
uh,
hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah, audible.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, how many role we have for marketing cloud? Like I have seen like marketing email and then marketing admin.
Email specialist is there, admin is there, consultant is there, developer is there. Four roles are available. If you are a fresher, 0 to 2 years of experience, and if you are expected to work on email development and cloud-based development, then email specialist would be enough for you. If you want to administrate an entire marketing cloud account, having experience between 2 to 3 or 2 to 3.5 or 2 to 4, then you are expected to administrate entire platform integrations and everything. Then go with admin. If you have 4+ years of experience, want to work with client facing business analyst type of role or a consultant type of role, go with consultant. And if you want to work as a developer, want to make your career as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, you have development role available.
Sir, my friend is asking, do you have any weekend batches or evening batches? Evening meaning American time evening.
American time evening, we will be connecting. Like I have started a batch which I am taking in American evening time. Soon after 1 or 2 weeks that will over and I'll start a new batch. So
Okay,
probably at that time your friend can join. But
okay.
this time, but after 2 weeks, I take two batches in morning and in evening. So if I take morning batch in India, it would be your evening, and if I take evening batch like I'm taking now, it would be your morning. So two batches I have. You have leverage to join anytime.
Yes, he's interested in the evening batch.
Great. So you are interested in morning, right?
I'm available for both. If he takes the evening batch, then I will also join the evening batch.
Okay. So evening batch, guys, you have to wait, but you should like come into this batch when we get morning batch. Then you can go and join there as well as a refresher. And
Okay, sure.
yeah, any more questions, guys?
yeah, this is the last question. I think you know about Apex, right? So in percentage wise, like how much code is like AMP code, like compared to Apex? Like
Apex is programming language, and script is scripting language.
okay.
Script is only 10% of Apex.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah.
Script Apex is enterprise programming language. It's vast.
Yeah. So
Script is
yeah, when we compare to Java, Apex is 30%. When it compares to Apex,
right.
AMP script is a 10%. Okay, yeah.
Don't worry, guys. It's easy platform. If you are thinking to make career on Marketing Cloud, that is a good decision you took. And don't worry that if you have to code or not. If you are able to get nice money, why won't you code, guys? If you are able to learn and work hard and get a nice amount of money by doing such things, why don't you code? Learn if you don't have any experience. That would be my, I should say, suggestion for you, because you will have to grow in your career. The growth will come with the knowledge you will have. It is an added cherry if you learn coding as well. You don't already know that. So don't be afraid of these things. You will get a lot of team members. If you don't know, somebody else will know in your team. So the process, the cycle will go on. You will be learning everything with the team as well. So don't be afraid of coding.
Yeah, thank you. That's all from my end, Harshit. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for your
Thanks, guys.
patience.
Thanks. Any other questions, guys? Mahesh, Jace.
Can I move it?
Sorry.
Oh, actually.
Okay, guys. Then I think Raghvendra, do you have any questions? I saw some time back you unmuted your mic.
Yeah, I have asked.
Okay, perfect. Okay, guys. The team will communicate you. Try to join this at earliest so that we can start the batch from this week onwards. So we will be communicating you back again. If you have any doubts, still you can connect with me over LinkedIn. You can find my profile easily there, and you can drop me a note over LinkedIn. I will try my best to like resolve your query at my best. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. We'll meet soon. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.